Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Teams on your laptop or computer. Whether you're joining for work meetings, collaborating with your team, or simply staying connected, getting logged in is the first step to accessing all of Teams' powerful features. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to teams.live.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Microsoft login page where you'll begin the authentication process. On the login screen, you'll be prompted to input your email or phone number. Type in the credentials associated with your Microsoft Teams account, then click Next. This step verifies which account you're trying to access and determines the authentication method you'll need to use. Next, you'll see an option to send a verification code. Click on Send Code. Microsoft will then send a security code to your email address. This is an important security measure that helps protect your account from unauthorized access, ensuring that only you can log in even if someone else knows your email. Now, open your Gmail or whichever email service you use for your Microsoft account. Look for the email from Microsoft containing your verification code. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you find it, copy the code from the email. Then, return to the Microsoft Teams login page and paste the code into the designated field. This confirms your identity and moves you forward in the login process. If you've set up a PIN for additional security on your device, you'll be prompted to enter it at this stage. Simply insert your PIN and click OK. This extra layer of security helps keep your Teams account safe, especially on shared or public computers. After you've entered your PIN, you'll need to wait a moment while Microsoft processes your sign-in. The system is verifying all your credentials and preparing your Teams environment. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while everything loads. Once the processing is complete, you'll be successfully logged into your Microsoft Teams account. You'll see your Teams, channels, and chat history appear on screen, and you're now ready to start collaborating with your colleagues or classmates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.